Hi everyone, it's Danielle Hagen here I wanted to show you because we are in the beginning of a new year. It's a little bit April, sorry, tax season kept me busy. But I want to show you the closing date. So if you guys have given your information to your accountants now, you want to make sure that nothing changes within your QuickBooks file. So the one way to do that is to go to the company menu and to go down to set closing date. So QuickBooks closes itself out when you rotate the dates from December 31st, we'll say 2017 to January 1st, 2018. It automatically does the entries for you and rolls everything over so that you don't have to make any entries. But when you give your information to somebody else, and this isn't just at year end, if you reconcile and you give your information to a board of directors or the owner or whoever you give your information to, a bank, you do not want that information to change in QuickBooks. And I'll give you an example of how this can happen. Basically, when you go ahead and you void a check, if you use the void check button, I guess, it will void the check as of the date the check was written. Now, if the check was written 2 years ago, that is going to go back 2 years and actually void the check as of that day. All right, you're not realizing this, but that's what it does. So therefore, all of your data has now changed from 2 years ago going forward. If you go back and run any reports, they're going to be different. So that is one of the reasons to hit the closing date so that you cannot go back and change information once the information has been given out. All right, so it's right here. Again, it's under the company menu here, and then you go here and it says set date and password. This little screen comes up and you can go ahead and say, December 31st, 2017, and you can put a password here. So I usually do, you could put password or whatever it is so that other people don't know. Probably did not get that right. So with this, does it mean you cannot make changes? No, you can make changes, but it's definitely a warning that pops up for you and says, hey, this is past the closing date. Do you want to continue? And if you want to continue, you need to put the password in. So if you do not give the password out to your bookkeepers and stuff, they have to come to you in order to make that change, which is something that you want. As an accountant, I will do this for my clients, but I do not give them the password, so they have to call me. And when they call me, I'll say, no, I don't think we should do that because it's going to affect all the numbers. Let's do it this way. Okay, so the closing date is very important, especially at the end of the year. So now you can see that the date through which books are closed is 12/31/17. Okay, so it's really just a safeguard so that you don't change any information, because when you give your accountant the information next year, they're going to compare last year's information to what they had, and if it's different, you're going to spend some money for them to figure out why. Okay, so you're better off just setting a closing date and moving forward, knowing that none of your information is going to change going forward. All right, thank you so much for watching. Comment below if this helped. Also comment below with any questions, QuickBooks questions that you have that I can answer for you. All right, I'm putting some more videos out there for all you guys that need help with QuickBooks. So I've been in business for about 8 years now, doing specifically QuickBooks training and consulting. So let me know what you need to know. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.